As you can see here, when I make a YouTube video full screen, unfortunately the taskbar still shows at the bottom, which is really annoying. This happens not only on YouTube but also with videos on other websites as well. So let's fix that. To fix this issue, move your mouse down to the taskbar, then right-click on it. From the menu, choose Task Manager. Now, in the Task Manager window, look for a process called Windows Explorer under the Processes tab. Once you find it, right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. After that, wait a few seconds while your desktop refreshes completely. Alright, now let's check the result together. When I go full screen again, you can see the video now covers the entire screen, and the taskbar no longer shows up at the bottom. No more distractions. And that's it. A simple fix to get your full screen experience working properly again on Windows 10 or 11.